Dynamic arrays. What are they? Welcome back everyone. If you want to know how to effectively extract unique values from a list, we first need to talk about dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays are an incredible Excel upgrade that not so many people know about. It is such a dramatic change in Excel performances that I'm still puzzled how much it went under the radar. If you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021, you're among the lucky ones that can use dynamic arrays. But what are dynamic arrays? Without going into the technicalities, let me quickly explain it to you with an example. We have our usual list of securities here with the category they belong to and the country where they are headquartered. Let's type equal here and let's select 3 cells. Okay, we press enter, and if you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021, you'll see a highlighted rectangle here with blue borders. This is a dynamic array. It is a set of cells that depend on the formula entered in the first cell. And as you can see, the formula here in this cell is gray. We go up, still gray, and we go up to the cell where we actually wrote our formula, and as you can see here, it is black. If we press F2, and if we now put a 5 here, we now have a longer array. By the way, if you had an older version of Excel, the formula we typed would just return apple in the first cell. The reason why dynamic arrays are considered to be a groundbreaking upgrade of Excel is linked to the fact that now a formula entered in one cell can impact multiple cells, or better, it can spill into multiple cells, to use proper Excel terminology. In our case, the formula in cell E2 spills down into cells E3, 4, and 5. This was made possible by a major upgrade in Excel calculation engine. Dynamic arrays replace the complex and old-fashioned ctrl+shift+enter array formulas. You don't know what they are? No surprise, as such formulas were considered quite complicated and reserved to the Excel gurus. But now everybody can easily understand dynamic arrays. With the latest Excel versions, any formula can now generate a dynamic array, even a simple equal, as we've just seen in our example. To fully exploit the power of dynamic arrays, together with dynamic arrays came dynamic array functions, that is, new functions whose output by nature spills into multiple cells. A function like unique that returns the list of unique items in a range of cells is a very welcome addition. Let's see together how it works. Let's go back to our database and let's assume that we want to create a list with all the categories in column B. To do that, let's write category here. Okay, it is automatically formatted very well. And now we just have to type equal and unique, the new dynamic array function. With unique, we need to select the array we're interested in. We select it with Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow key. There are a couple of additional options we're not interested in. We simply close the parentheses, we press enter, and as you see, we have the list of our categories. Let's go up. We have from tech down to postal. And if we see here, 10 categories in total. If you try to do this before dynamic arrays, you know it was definitely not this easy. And the best part is that if the source database is updated, the resulting list will automatically update as well. So for example, let's call Apple and Apple category, a category on its own. And let's look here, we press enter, and as you see, we have Apple popping up in the category list. Amazing. You just need to make sure there is enough space for unique to spill into the cells below. Otherwise, you will get a spill error. For example, if we type something here, hello, you see, we get the error. If we delete that, we're back to our list. Before we end this lesson, let me tell you one last thing on how to manage dynamic arrays. If you want to refer to a dynamic array, you can simply refer to the cell where the formula is written and add a hash after that. So for example, if we want to refer to this list, we can write here equal F2 and we add a hash after that. And as you see, Excel is already highlighting the whole array. We press enter and we have a new unique list to the right of the original one. In case we wanted to select just Apple, we should select just cell F2, enter, and as you see, we're back to only Apple. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a message in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with the newest releases. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.